Good afternoon and welcome to Midweek Madness, Wednesdays at 1 o'clock. My name is Miss Amy and I work at Dwight Foster Public Library. Today we're going to do a challenge, and our challenge is Marshmallow Shooters. Very fun, super excited to show you this one. So the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need cup, plastic cup. Don't do something really thick, okay? You're gonna need some balloons. I would do larger size balloons. I tried smaller ones, they don't work well. So make sure good size balloons. I'm using a wooden skewer, and this is to poke a hole. Tape, packing tape. A scissors. And a bag of mini marshmallows. So our challenge today is to make a marshmallow shooter. All right, let's get going. All right, so what we're gonna start with for our challenge is we're gonna take our cup, and we're gonna take our skewer, and we're gonna make a hole here. All right, and the reason that we're making the hole is so that we can get our scissors in there, and then I'm just gonna make it a little bigger. All right, and then what you are going to want to do is you're going to want to cut around the outside. You don't want to go past the rim, but you want to be on the inside. All right, put that aside. Then just clean up anything that looks like it's a little sharper. All right, put that off to our side. So there you go. There's our hole right in our cup. Then we're gonna take our balloon. And our balloon, we wanna stretch a little bit, and then we want to tie off our balloon like we would if we were blowing it up. We want to have it tied off like that. Then take your balloon and kind of flatten it out a little bit. And then we're going to go and we're going to take our scissors. I found it's a little easier to do it in half. And we're going to cut straight across. So we're cutting straight across our balloon top. And now we're going to go and cover up the hole. Right. And you kind of want this somewhat in the middle. And then we're going to take our tape. Lost my end, there it is. And we're going to put it so that our balloon is being taped to the cup so it won't come off. All right, got one little spot left. And then what I found easiest is to put my hand inside the cup and take my other hand and go around. So you want to make sure that the whole edges, all the edges of your balloon are taped down to your cup. All right? So as you can see, you're going to pull this. So you want to make sure you have a wide enough area. Then you're going to take one of your marshmallows and you're going to shoot it. And I think I'm gonna go outside and test it. Let's go. Okay, I can honestly say this is probably my favorite Midweek Madness that I've done. So there are different things you can do. So we can shoot a whole bunch of marshmallows. We can shoot one. Let me tell you, that is fun. It went far. Let's try another one. So what I am doing is I'm sticking it down inside there. You can see that. Here we go. Ready? Can I make the garbage? Woo-hoo! I made it in there. All right. Have a great time, guys. All right, so we've finished our marshmallow shooters and we've created them. Take your mini marshmallows, go outside, have a blast. But there are some other challenges you can do. So there are different ways that you can do this. So you can do a distance competition where you are at the same spot and you're shooting to see how far someone can go. You can put more marshmallows in your cup, but that will create them to not go as far. So if you shoot one at a time, it'll go much farther. You could do, like I said, multiple marshmallows and see, how many you can get in there and how far they go. You can do shooting and catching. So you can take this, shoot it up and try to catch it. And then you can try different sizes of marshmallows. So I'm excited to hear how the challenges go and how you guys and your competitions work out. Again, this is Midweek Madness, 1 o'clock on Wednesdays, and I'm Miss Amy with Dwight Foster Public Library. Happy shooting!